Welcome to the Perx App. The Perx App is made for people living with chronic conditions. We aim to improve your quality of life by simplifying your health schedule and providing rewards and motivation for staying on track. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the app and show you how to get the most out of it. As you can see, this is our home screen. Say we want to schedule some tasks like medication or physio. We click in the bottom right corner and click Health. Once you're here, you just click the orange button Add Task, which will take you to a load screen with a few different options to choose from. We can choose from medication, measurement, exercise therapy. We can even book an appointment or have a reoccurring prescription. We can do things like check our step count or just do a generic health action. Let's look at our medication now. We type up in the search bar and we'll see a series of drop downs appear. Simply select your medication and then you'll proceed to fill out some more information so that it can always remind you of when it's due. So we need to put things in like the frequency and how many times a day do we take this medication and also the time. It's really important we get this right because this will remind us of whenever the medication is due. Then we just put an icon and a color that we want to remind us. This is particularly helpful if you have multiple medications to take. After that, we can schedule another health task. So simply click Add Task again and you'll see the same loadout screen with a few different options to choose from. We're going to click on Activity. What the activity does is it can monitor our step count. As long as you connect the phone to Apple Health, you can simply just have your phone in the background monitoring your step count. We can then also add a task where we want to look at our measurement. There's a whole range of things you can look at. We're going to do weight. How it works is like medication, we look at the frequency and time of day that we want to be reminded about this, and then we enter our weight in. And over time, we can monitor the data and how it's changed over time. Let's schedule another health task. This time I want to do exercise therapy. We want to remind ourselves of a physio session. It's the exact same process where we just fill out the specific information and then we never have to worry about it unless we want to edit or delete it. You'll see here that we've been prompted to put in some of the exercise details. We can skip this for now, but it's a handy feature that I'll explain later. You'll see that my health dashboard is getting quite full. Don't worry, the app will remind you about all of these different things. You can edit or delete tasks at any time. Now let's take a look at measurements. Remember how we scheduled our measurements before? In this tab, you can monitor them over time, so you can look at things like weight or mood. This is the hub dashboard. Here we can look at a whole range of things. We can look at more information about different medicine, we can book appointments, or we can even call the Coronavirus National Hotline. The most important feature is the View Health Insights. I haven't got anything loaded, but as you will see, it's quite a powerful tool where you can monitor your medication, physio, or measurements in one place. Now let's go to the History tab. Each time I complete all my tasks for a day, I get a heart. This will form my streak. The more days, the better. Let's go to the main dashboard. This is where all your health tasks that are due that day will appear. As you'll see, none of my health tasks are due because they're all scheduled for tomorrow. All I need to do is click complete on each and follow the prompts. If I complete all my health tasks, I'll be eligible for a prize. Let's see what happens when we do so. Simply spin the wheel and see if you win a prize. Today we've won a $10 gift voucher from Coles. You'll be able to win a lot of different rewards in the game. Let me show you the rewards tab so you can understand how the rewards work. This is where all your various gift cards will be stored. As you can see, I've got Big W, Coles, and Kmart. If you want to see what prizes you can win, simply click on My Hearts. Now, this feature might be complex, but the more hearts you earn, the more gift cards you can unlock. Except you have to be a certain level to be able to unlock them. Unlocking gift cards doesn't mean you get them. It simply means they go into the pool of prizes that you can win each time you play a game. Feel free to check out any more of our further videos and written explanations on how these features work. I'm now going to show you to the community feature. This is a great way where you can climb leaderboards with other users in the app. You can check each other's streaks. You can also post in forums where you share your wins. If you win a gift card, you can share it with the community. We have over 10,000 active members you can talk to and share your journey together. Finally, we have our account tab. This has all your account details. You can check Perx's privacy policy. You can also do a whole range of other things. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for letting us in on your health journey.